up, friends? Welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Monkey D. Luffy, Gear 5. And don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first, let's get started with the spiral of the hair. So we're going to come over to the right. And we're going to curve this around, tucking this around, spiraling that through, curving that down. To the left, we're going to curve this out. To the right, we're going to start from that point, curving this over again. Now from here, we're going to arch this in to the middle of the face. Stepping up on this line, we're going to curve this down, connecting that. And then we're going to continue to pull this through, arching this down, ending this at the same height. Now from here on the left, let's curve that back up. We'll do the exact same thing on the right, extending this further through. To the left of this, we're going to spiral this around. So we're going to curve this over, tucking this around, pulling that back in. Let's close off the face underneath first. So for the cheek, we're going to curve this around, joining that in the middle. Replicating that on the right, curving this over and down, joining that at a point. Let's move up for the mouth. We're going to curve this line across. Let's arch this down underneath, curving this over and back through on the right. Now on the left and right hand side, we're just going to draw in a small diagonal line coming in. Let's close this off underneath with a curved line. And then to the right of that, we're just going to draw in a small straight line coming up. Let's come down for the bottom row of the teeth. We're going to curve this out. Moving in behind on the left, arching this out. And then we'll replicate that on the right. For the tongue, we're going to curve that in towards the top. And then we'll pull that through on the right. Let's come up for the nose. In the center, we're going to bring this line up and down. And then to the left of that, we're just going to curve this out. Let's draw on the eyebrows. So stepping up on a diagonal, we're going to curve this around, tucking this down, up, and over on the left. We'll line this up at the same height on the right, replicating that. Let's close off the top of the eyebrow, curving this down towards the center. Now let's draw on the eyeball. So we're going to draw in a nice big circle underneath, curving this around and through on the top. Right in the center now, let's draw in a circle for that pupil. And then again, right in the center, another circle. Let's draw in the little scar underneath here. So we're going to curve this up. And then we'll draw in two diagonal lines coming out. Let's draw on the ear. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line in. To the right, we're going to line that up at the same height, rounding that out, pulling that through to the top. On the inside, we're going to curve this down. Stepping up, replicating that again, curving that over. And then one more time underneath, curving that up. Now let's continue with the hair. So on the left-hand side, we're going to round that out, curving that in. And then from that point, pulling that back through. To the left, we're going to curve this out, in and over towards the side of the page. And then from that point, we're just going to tuck this around and back down. Let's come up. We're going to curve this out. Now from that point, we're going to bring this down, out, and in towards the top. On the left-hand side, we're going to curve this up, out, and through. Now from here, we're going to bring this down, around, up, and over. Right in the center here now, curving this up, down, out, and through to the middle. From that point, we're going to tuck this back in, curving that further out and across. Now from here, we're going to arch this up to the right, and then we're going to tuck that in, coming down. Now from here, we're going to spiral this through. So we're going to curve this around, spiraling that in. And then from the top here, we're just going to continue to drag that line around, tucking that across. Let's draw on the tuft of hair on the right. So we're going to curve this out, pulling that back in. On the top, curving that through. Let's come underneath now. We're going to arch this in, bringing this back around, and again, just drawing in another spiral, tucking that up to the top. And then lastly, coming underneath, curving this out on the right. And then from that point, just tucking that back in on the side. And that is it. That's how you draw Monkey D. Luffy Gear 5. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all in the next one.